Good morning. Today I'll be illustrating the double underarm dart. And the double underarm dart is used when you don't want your underarm dart to be conspicuous. Let's get started. So this is the dart. You can see the underarm dart has been divided into two equal halves. What you need to do is measure the space of your dart. I have measured mine and it is 4.8 centimeters, and divide that into two. That is each dart. Since we are making two darts, you have to divide them equally. So that's 4.8 divided by 2 gives you 2.4. So each dart will be 2.4 centimeters. Also, you need to measure the length of your dart from ear to ear. Mine is 16.5, and you need to find 2/3 of 16.5, because remember, our darts won't get to the bust point, and for me it is 11 centimeters, and you have to measure 11 centimeters from ear till wherever it stops, just like so. So it's like 2/3 of your dart length, excuse me, 2/3 of your dart length. That's what you're going to measure. Like you can see these darts, because we don't want it to be showing, we don't want it to be obvious. That's why we are dividing it into two, because normally this is too wide to hold the dart. So let's get started. First, I'm going to measure my 11 centimeters. Then my first dart, this will be like our middle dart line. So I'm going to measure 2.4. So my 2.4, half of 2.4, which is 1.2, will be measured on this side, and 1.2 will be measured on this side as well. Okay, so I have measured my 11 centimeters from here into inward, and this is it. And one of the dart leg, I have one of the darts, I have measured half of the 2.4 here and here. So I'm just going to join this point to the 11 centimeters and this point to the 11 centimeters here as well. So that's it. One of the darts drawn, and it's looking like so. Also, you can see this 2 and this 3. This means from this dart leg, you measure 2 centimeters up, and that's going to be the start of your second dart. So from this 2 centimeters up, we're going to measure our 2.4 up to here, as in my own example. It could be different when you're doing yours. And from here, you measure 3 centimeters up, and that will be the dart point for the second dart. So this is what it is. So from here now, I'm going to measure 2 centimeters, because you need a space between one dart and the other. You can't just model them up. So you measure 2 centimeters up. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to measure 3 centimeters straight up here as well. Okay, so I have measured my 2 centimeters up, and this is it. And also from here, I have measured my 2.4 centimeters up here, which is the width of the second dart. Remember, this is 2.4, and this is the middle of the dart. Now, this is 2.4 from here, and you need to find the middle of the dart, and I have also done that. Also, from here, I have pointed out my 3 centimeters. So I'm just going to rule the middle dart line to this part, so you can have your middle dart line if you want, or you can just ignore it and just rule this point straight to this point, and the other dart leg from this point straight to this point. Okay, now so I have joined the first dart leg to the 3 centimeters point above the first dart, and I have finished my dart. So basically that's it. That's how to make your dart less conspicuous when you have to hold an underarm dart, and I have shaded them out as well. Also, I need to tell you that Remember, this 2 centimeters up, we have stolen part of the dart. This brown part is your dart, your excess. We've stolen part of it. So what we've stolen from the dart is what we are giving it back here. Or let me say we've stolen part of your measurement, your body measurement, the yellow part. If I measure here now, I'm just going to measure. So this is like 1.3, which you stole from your body. And again, you've stolen from your body measurement on here, the yellow paper. I'm measuring the yellow part now. So if that one was 1.3, see, from that 1.3 here is 2. So that is the 2 you are giving back here. I hope you understand that. I'm just going to repeat that again. You've stolen 1.3 here, the yellow parts, as part from your measurements. The yellow parts are your measurements. So you've stolen, I measured here, it's 1.3, and this one is 0.7. That is 2 centimeters. It is that 2 centimeters that you've stolen from your measurement. Let me, stolen in brackets. That's that, so that you can understand. And you're giving that 2 centimeters. So that is 1.3 plus 0.7 gives 2 centimeters. That is the 2 centimeters you're giving back here. So what you've stolen from your measurement, you're taking it back here, so that you can have a space between 2 darts. So basically that's it. That's how to go about making your 2 underarm darts. Thank you. Bye.